Oh, look at them all getting a bath, Mark. Ooh, scrubbing real hard. Hey guys, how are you? My name's Denise and I'm here to tell you a bedtime story. Today I wanted to share 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. You guys might know this song, so if you guys want to, you guys can sing along with me if you want to. Go ahead and go grab your stuffed animals. I have Mark over here. I'm gonna give him one big hug while you guys go get your stuffed animals. Oh, I love you so much, Mark. Mark is a huge fan of jumping on the bed. I have to tell him to stop every now and then. All right, guys, let's do this. This is called 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. I know a lot of monkeys out there that like to jump on the bed. It was bath time, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. Scrub, scrub, scrubbing. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brush their teeth. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. Look at them being silly. I know a lot of friends out there that during bedtime like to be silly. One fell off and bumped his head. So the mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, I think you guys know this line. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So, 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Look at them now, 2 are injured. So, 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed, but 1 fell off and bumped her head. These monkeys just don't listen. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's 3 down. So, 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. So, Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So, 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Look at the mom right here. She's like, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed. Look at her, jumping. These monkeys just don't listen. Well, guys, I hope you have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna give Mark one more big hug before we go. Oh, thanks, Mark. Give the people a little wave. And remember, no monkeys jumping on the bed or sharks. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.